In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. If you run Facebook lead ads, connecting them directly to Zoho CRM ensures every form submission lands in your CRM automatically, ready for follow-up. Before we start, make sure you have admin permissions in Zoho CRM and you're an admin of the Facebook page that owns your lead forms. Have your Facebook login ready and allow pop-ups in your browser for this process, since a Facebook window will appear during the connection. Begin on the Zoho CRM homepage. Click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings page, look for the section labeled Channels. This is where Zoho centralizes social and other inbound sources. Open Channels, then select Social to access the Social Integrations area. Inside Social, go to Brands. A brand in Zoho is simply a container for the social accounts you connect, which helps keep things organized if you manage multiple products, regions, or pages. Choose the brand you want to use for this connection. Within that brand, locate the Facebook Leads option and open it to set up the integration. Click Connect with Facebook. Zoho will prompt you to add a Facebook account, so choose Add Account. A secure Facebook login window opens. If you see your profile listed, select the account that manages your business pages. If you aren't already signed in, enter your Facebook password to authenticate. If your account uses an extra security step, follow the prompts in that same window to complete verification. Next, Facebook shows a permission screen. These permissions allow Zoho to read lead data from your pages and maintain the connection. For a reliable sync, leave the requested permissions enabled and click Continue. You'll then see a final confirmation to connect back to Zoho. Click Connect to complete the authorization. You'll return to Zoho CRM where your Facebook pages are listed. Select the pages that collect leads through Facebook lead ads. If you manage more than one, select every relevant page so all of their leads are captured. When you're ready, click Add. Zoho saves the connection and associates those pages with the brand you selected. That's the essential setup. From now on, new submissions from your connected Facebook lead forms will flow into Zoho CRM, typically into the Leads module, where you can assign owners, apply workflows, and kick off follow-up tasks. Keep in mind that the sync applies to new submissions going forward. If you want to confirm the connection immediately, use Facebook's test tool for lead ads to submit a sample. You should see it appear in Zoho within moments. If a Facebook window doesn't open when you try to connect, temporarily disable your browser's pop-up blocker for Zoho and try again. If you can't select a specific page, double-check that your Facebook profile has admin access to that page in Business Manager. And if you have multiple Zoho organizations, verify that you're in the correct one before authorizing, so leads land in the right database. To recap the flow you just completed, start from the Zoho CRM homepage, open Settings, navigate to Channels and then Social, go into Brands, choose Facebook Leads, connect with Facebook, add your account, approve the requested permissions, and back in Zoho, pick your pages and add them. With that, you've replaced manual lead exports and imports with a real-time, always-on pipeline from Facebook lead ads into Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching. Save this walkthrough for future reference, and now that the connection is active, head over to your Leads module to follow up on incoming submissions right away.